Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Byoma Barrier Repair Eye Cream. This product retails for $14. Very excited to be trying out a new eye cream formulation from Byoma. They have a depuffing eye cream that worked well to depuff my under eye area. This one is looking to be more of a barrier restoring and also strengthening eye cream. With that being said, I'm not the biggest fan of hydrating eye creams. I do feel like that there is a purpose for them sometimes, but a lot of times I just invest in a moisturizer. What I love about this product though on paper is that they have included great anti-aging ingredients and also skin supporting ingredients. I'm not the best creator to testify for anti-aging benefits. I do love being preventative with that type of skincare, but I always recommend to follow people who look like you and who address your personal skincare needs to get the most personalized experience out of a review. So make sure you go follow creators that look like you and that address your needs to get a full perspective on this product from their point of view, because I'm not able to testify for a lot of those benefits. But I am excited to see what I notice with this eye cream. They have great hydrating claims attached to it, and I struggle really bad with some sensitivity from eye cream, so that's the main reason why I wanted to try it. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlight ingredients include a barrier lipid complex, copper tripeptides, and also Ectoin. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description, go to their website, and I've also listed off all the ingredients in the description. The main things I'm going to be looking for with it include: does it cause any sensitivity under my eyes? How does it feel under my eyes? And how does it perform? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I just got it in today. Very excited to see what I notice with it. Like I said, main things I'm going to be looking for include: how does it feel under the eyes, and also what do I notice with it in terms of hydration. I also want to see if it causes any sensitivity and just what it does in general, because I do feel like this is supposed to be more of an anti-aging, more affordable, budget-friendly copper peptide eye cream, but I must say that feels really nice, like butter going in the skin. Look at that. The hydration is definitely undeniable. That is very moisturizing, and a lot of times I see with more rich eye creams like this that they are very heavy. Like sometimes they can be a little bit too much even for my under eye area. I haven't seen an eye cream provide this much hydration since, I would say, the Dew Oracle. That is very similar, but that is a gel. This is a cream, but that's what I'm getting instantly, because I've not really seen a lot of eye creams provide this level of nourishment where you're able to see it so visibly. And a lot of times I've noticed when I do hydrate the under eye area, it creates more of a radiant look to my face. Not heavy at all. I was expecting this to be a little bit heavier. It's almost refreshing. Like, it's very cooling, kind of refreshing. Not like their gel, obviously, but it's a very unique formulation because it's almost a hybrid. Once you start blending it in, it almost feels like a light gel, but at first it feels like a nice, luxurious cream. Feels nice. I'm not experiencing any sensitivity underneath my eyes. Hopefully that will be the case. The big thing I'm going to be doing with this product is comparing it to, say, a moisturizer with this level of ingredients in it to see if I feel like it is worth investing in. The good thing about this is they don't have a steep price point attached to it. If you are investing in an eye cream just solely for hydration, or if it's anti-aging, I would rather pay a little bit less for a more hydration focused eye cream, but I mean, the ingredients in here really make it stand out. So I'm going to be keeping that in the back of my head as I continue to use it, keeping you posted. Sometimes I experience sensitivity more long-term with eye cream, so I'll just let you all know. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I have to say, with the level of ingredients and also the great moisturizing, almost cream to gel texture, there's a lot of things that I feel like make this eye cream stand out from others that I've tried. This is very very impressive. I personally used it mostly as a moisturizing eye cream, and for me, unless I'm just needing that level of hydration underneath my eyes, it's not something I'm necessarily sure I would invest in myself. Here's the thing though, when it comes to ingredients such as the copper peptides and also the great moisturizing texture, I feel like this would be a great eye cream to invest in if you are looking for anti-aging. Can't personally testify for benefits with that, but I know that is the main thing that people look for when they're incorporating copper peptides into an eye cream. And what's so great about this is the low price point attached to it. That is really what makes it stand out from some other hydrating eye creams that I have seen. When it comes to copper peptide eye creams that I have personally tried and also seen on the market, most of them are a very light, watery texture. I haven't seen a lot with this type of texture for this price point. So I feel like that is what really separates it from other eye creams on the market. Is it necessarily something that I gravitate towards or need to invest in myself? I don't feel like it is. This kind of performed in moisturization terms as just a basic moisturizer, unless you are looking at it from a specific designed copper peptide eye cream that you're just needing under this area. I would almost rather invest in a copper peptide moisturizer that works great for your face that you can just double underneath your eyes. There was really nothing that stand out about it that made me feel like, oh, I would invest in this eye cream over a moisturizer. For instance, the Naturium Copper Peptide Serum / they also have a multi-peptide rich cream that is around the price point of this eye cream, just a little bit more, but what you could do with that product is use it on your face and underneath your eyes, kind of doubling it. The only time I would recommend investing in this is one, you've experienced really dry under eyes and you feel like you need to invest in a sole designated eye cream for that, because I don't want to discredit the complex in this product or the great things that it is supposed to do, because there definitely is a purpose for this. I'm just trying to streamline who I feel like would really benefit the most from this eye cream and who I feel like would be best to purchase it. Honestly, if you struggle with fine lines and wrinkles, I also feel like it may be a good blurring product, because I did notice that when a product like this is more hydrating, even though it doesn't have a brightening complex or an instant color corrector, it does blur the appearance of lines underneath your eyes. Mine are very minimal though. I'm not able to testify for a lot with that. That's why I don't want to speak too much on it, and I would recommend following creators that more speak to your specific skin needs if you are looking at this product from an anti-aging perspective. I'm more going off of ingredients, but for myself, I don't feel like I would personally invest in it, and it is something that I would just use the Naturium Multi-Peptide Cream or the Naturium Multi-Peptide Serum. Those are just the only ones that come to mind at the moment because they have a similar texture, the serum specifically, and I feel like that is a more all-in-one way to use it on your face, and then you can just concentrate it underneath your eyes as well. This is still a great product though. Very impressed that they made this for the price point that they did, and I feel like it is worth noting that when taking into consideration purchasing this product, it's just not something that I feel like addresses my skin needs, and I don't feel like it would be the best use of my personal money to invest in it. So that's where I personally stand on this product. I always give my perspective on what I would do and who I think this is best designed for. And ultimately, I feel like if you're wanting an all-in-one serum and under eye treatment, I would go for the Naturium Multi-Peptide Serum. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.